She wasn't his first, and she wouldn't be his last. According to his murder diary, she may have been his number 2. Tiffany Sessions was studying at the University of Florida in 1989 when he picked her off of the walking trail, and she was never seen again. He had been sentenced to life in prison March of 1976, but he would con his way out to kill again. We know he had at least 3 victims. 24 years later, a serial killer's little black book lends clues to what happened to this beautiful college co-ed. How could our justice system have failed Tiffany so badly? Why wasn't this monster kept behind bars where he belonged? Unfortunately, there's still no justice for Tiffany's family. The killer died in prison without confessing to her murder, and now all we have are the clues in this little black book. What happened to Tiffany Sessions? And will her family ever find answers?